montage tires. I've got a VW Polo here on a 2015 plate. Just gonna show you how to reset the pressure warning light. To do it, the pressures and the tire size is not here, but the pressure's there. As you can see right there, if you've got two people and a bit of luggage, you got 2.333 in the front and 2.130 in the back. And that's the rest right there as well with the load. Now to reset it is quite a simple procedure. All you gotta do is switch the ignition on, start the car up. Now you've got the oil service and inspection light on. I've already done the service on this. I'll be resetting the light with this diagnostic tool. But right there on the left hand side, you've got a tire pressure warning light. We'll show you how it's done. So all you gotta do is make sure the radio is off, go into car, and go into vehicle status. You got right there tire pressure set. Now as you can see, the light is on. If I press the set button, press confirm, right there the light's gone off. That's all you gotta do on this particular model. But before you reset the pressure, make sure you do check it and get the correct pressure in there. And that's it. Thank you very much. But if you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. Drop us a message. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, share it where possible. Thank you and goodbye.